Hi, my name is Erica, and today we'll be diving into days 13 through 18 in my Thankful 30 mini album. In case you missed how I made this, the tutorial's about 2 videos back. I'm starting day 13 off with gratitude for my bed. It truly is my sanctuary, and if it were a life option, I very well might live in it. I added some stars from the Simple Stories Bro & Co set, as well as a phrase from Ellie's Studio, and the heart border stamp from Felicity Jane Taylor Stamps. Someone asked me recently what I did to prevent the oxide from smearing on my photos, and I usually have my trusty mini USB fan blowing to my right. But as insurance, I usually stick some scrap paper in between the pages overnight. For day 14, I'm documenting my OG ride or die penguin BFF Ashley. I was fortunate enough to actually find these 2 photos of us in front of the same Vegas fountain about 8 years apart. This banner I'm using didn't really match the spread, but the words were perfect. It says, "Stay close to people who feel like sunshine," and that is exactly how I feel about her. I'm also trying to bring in more of my stash in this video, so I'm using more washi tape. I have a ton of it and I just forget to use it. And now that I have my new desktop, I have to figure out a new storage solution that's still hidden away, but that's not a shoebox, so suggestions are welcome. For day 15, usually when my kiddo is struggling with a tantrum, I ask her to take a breath. I want her to be able to build an arsenal of calming techniques for herself as she grows up. So anyways, in this scenario, I was feeling frustrated. She told me to take a breath, proof that not everything I tell her goes in one ear and out the other. So it made me smile. For day 16, I am documenting my oldest doggy, Harlow. She came to me when she was less than 8 weeks, and she is going to be 10 soon. She's very nervous, but she is extremely loving, so I'm very grateful for her. For day 17, I talk about how I'm grateful that we even have the choice to eat vegetarian. A lot of people in the world might not have a consistent food supply, so I'm very cognizant of it. And lastly, for day 18, I talk about these guys, my spouse and my kiddo, and how they're very laid back, and how that energy is very beneficial for me because I'm a very anxious person by nature, unfortunately. But that wraps up the week. I hope this small piece of color, honesty, and creativity brought you some happiness today. I hope to see you for my final week in this album, and I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!